Welcome to mathematics class. In this video, I will be talking about simple equation. Suppose you are asked to solve an expression of 4 minus 3x, which is equal to 2x minus 11. Now, if you check this expression very well, we have a constant here, right? We have a constant here, and we have a constant which is the coefficient of x, which is here. This is known as a variable, and we have two constants here. So what we are going to do in this case is that we are going to collect the like terms. That is, we pack those that will have the value of x to one side, and those that doesn't have the value of x, which are known as what the constants. Now, so in this case, I'm going to have to be, if I collect similar terms here, right? I'm going to bring this back to this side. I'm going to have to be 4. Then bringing this to this side, I'm going to have to be plus 11, which is equals to 2x. And bringing this to this side, I'm going to have to be plus 3x, right? Then 4 plus 11, that's actually 15, which is equal to 2x plus 3x is 5x. Then what I'm going to do in this case is that the question simply says as to solve for the value of x. That means I can simply divide both sides by what? By 5, which is the coefficient of x here. Then in this case now, I'm going to have my x to be equal to, that's 3, right? So this is the value of x. Now suppose we are given another question, an expression of 4 into brackets 2a minus 3, right? Then minus 2 into brackets a minus 4, right? And which is equal to 3 into bracket a minus 3 minus 1. So the first thing I'm going to do here is that I will try and open the possible bracket. I can note there's a bracket here, there's the bracket here, there's the bracket here. So it indicates that here I'm having 4 in front of this bracket, which indicates that I'm going to use this 4 to open this bracket. Show that I'm going to have this 4 multiplied by this, I'm going to have to be 8a, right? Then minus 4 multiplied by 3, that's actually 12. Then this is minus 2 in front of this bracket. I'm going to have minus 2 multiplied by a, which is minus 2a, right? Then minus 2 multiplied by minus 4 is actually, that's plus 8, right? Then it is equal to, open the bracket, then I'm going to have to be 3a minus 3 multiplied by 3 is actually 9, then minus 1. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to try to simplify both variable on both sides, right? I'm going to collect, this minus 12 and this plus 8, then this simply means 8a minus 2a, right? Then minus 12 plus 8, then which is equal to, here I'm having 3a, then minus 9 minus 1 is actually minus 10, right? So simplifying further, I'm going to have this to simply be 8a minus 2a is actually, that should give me 6a, right? Then minus 12 plus 8 is actually minus 4, right? Then equal to 3a minus 10. Then I can now collect the similar terms. Collecting the similar terms here, I'm going to bring this to this side and this to the other side. Then here I'm going to have to be 6a minus 3a, then which is equal to minus 10. Then here I'm having plus 4. Then 6a minus 3a is simply 3a, right? Which is equals to this minus 10 plus 4, that's actually minus 6. Then I'm going to divide both sides by 3. Dividing both sides by 3, then my a is simply equals to minus 2 in this case. Now suppose we are given another expression, which is 3 divided by, we are going to be x minus 2, which is equal to 4 divided by 3x plus 4. Then here resolving this, what we are going to do in this case is actually, it's very obvious. We actually need to just cross multiply, because as you can see, we have equal to sign here, so it is obvious that we must cross multiply. So here we are going to have to be 3 into brackets, that's 3x plus 4, right? Then equal to 4 into bracket x minus 2. So this, I'm going to open the brackets, I'm going to use this 3 to multiply this, which is what? Which is 9x, right? Plus 12, which is equals to 4x minus 8. Then what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to pack those that have similar variables together. So packing those that with similar variables together, I'm going to have this simply to be 9x, then this comes to this side, passing through this, if it's fly through is equals to here, I'm going to have to be what? Minus 4x, right? Then here is equals to minus 8 plus 12, right? So here I'm going to have to be 9x minus 4x is actually 5x, which is equals to minus 8 plus 12 is actually, that's minus 8 plus 12, that simply means that's 4, right? So I shall have it as 4, then this is actually 5x. So here in this case, I'm going to have my x to be what? To be 4 over 5, because I'm going to divide both sides by 5. So dividing both sides by 5, I'm going to have to be what to be this. So that's just it. Now suppose we are given another question. Suppose we are asked to solve root of t, right? Then plus td divided by what? Root of what? Of t equals to 2. And this is what is enclosed with parentheses. So now what I'm going to do here is that since this is having just a single denominator value, I can go ahead and just express it as root of t divided by what? Root of what? Of t plus td divided by what? Root of t, which is equal to what? 2. Right? So it's very simple. This we cancel this, I'm going to have to 1 plus 3 root of over root of what? Of t equals to what? 2. Then collecting the similar times here in this case, I'm going to have it to be simply, I'm going to have this expression to be, this will be equal to, I'm going to bring this towards the side, that's 2 minus 1, which is equal to what? 3 divided by what? Root of what? Of t. Right? So in this case now, 2 minus 1 is actually 1, which is equal to what? 3 root of what? Of t. 2 minus 1 is 1, then this is 3 divided by what? Root of what? Of t. So simply, if I cross multiply, or let me just put it up here, so you guys can see it very well. Here, 2 minus 1 is actually 1, which is equal to 3 divided by what? Root of what? Of t. Then if I cross multiply, I'm going to have 3 to be equal to what? Root of what? Of t, right? Then I can go ahead and square both sides, which is equal to what? Root of what? Of t squared, right? This cancel this. Then I'm going to have my t to be equal to 9, because 3 squared is what? Is actually 9. Then my t is equal to what? 9. Now, guys, there's a take-home work for you guys, which I'm going to write out here. So you guys should drop your answer in the comment section below. So let's suppose you are given 1 divided by what? 3a minus 2, then plus 1 divided by what? 5a plus 3, which is equal to what? 0. So go ahead and solve this expression. Go ahead and solve this algebra expression, and do well to drop your answer in the comment box below. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to click on the share button, and likewise share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.